Hey guys, we're at it again. We're in the beautiful Caymanas estate, and today we have a delivery for one of our faithful customers. But guess what happened today? Today this customer is not here, but we have a solution. We're gonna give this package today to the security guard at this complex to please our customer. So, customer is not here. Customer sent it to our faithful security friend, and we're gonna hand this package to him. And this is only upon request by you or customer. So all day, every day, we aim to please. Siki, afternoon. How are you doing today? Mrs. Henry asked me to drop off one package here. She said, you name Mikey, right?
Yeah, man.
She said, you're gonna handle it well. I'm gonna say you're gonna take care of it. Right. Alright? Big up yourself. Have a good one. Yeah, man. So there you have it. Mikey, take the package and handle it well. He said he's gonna deliver it right to her. She said he's a good guy. And guess what? We're also good guys because we brought it to you on time, all the time. Yes, this is how we do it. Have a good one, guys.